Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video where we're going to look at how do you now make repayments on the loan that you borrowed. If you missed our previous video, please click the link in the description box to check how do you get a loan so that you see how do you now make repayments on the loan. Let's get started. So let's assume time has already passed, and in the period of time you've already used the loan for whatever it is you had borrowed, and now you want to repay back your loan. So you're going to go back to home, crypto loans. Then you're going to click on ongoing orders and you're going to see your order is there. So you're going to click on repay. If you already reached the time and you want to repay your loan, just click on repay, and then we're going to see the repayment amount there. So you can either pick if you want to repay in bits, you want to repay 25% of what you borrowed, you want to repay 50% of what you borrowed. So in short, you can also repay in bits. So if you have your 25 BUSD you got that you want to use as repayment, you can repay at that particular time, and you keep adding on as long as you are within the time frame that you had subscribed to. So for this case, we want to repay all the amounts that we had borrowed. Okay, and you can see the total debt is that and the remaining debt is that. Okay, so now we're going to confirm and repay that loan. Great. So now you can see that the balance we have is the 0.00 that amount, and we're also going to click on repay again. And since we do not have any other BUSD in our account, it means we're going to have to go to our spot wallet and convert some of the Litecoin to repay back the BUSD, okay? So if you're doing it on your own and you want to repay the full amount, you'll have to deposit BUSD and you'll have to account for the amount you borrowed plus the interest that has accrued over the period of time. But for now, since we are doing it immediately, we have not yet accounted for the amount that has accrued interest. As you can see, there was an hourly interest rate, so that is the amount we had not accounted for. So we'll have to convert some other asset in order to cover the accrued interest. So let's do that. So let's go back to our spot wallet. And we have some Litecoin here. So we're going to convert some of that Litecoin to BUSD so that we can repay our loan. Convert Litecoin to BUSD. BUSD. So preview conversion. Convert. Now we have our BUSD. We can go back. Homepage, crypto loans, ongoing orders, and you can see that we have our balance there, so repay. And now we have BUSD. We can repay the maximum debt so that you can see the remaining debt is 0 now, and then we can click on confirm. And now we have no outstanding debt and we've already repaid all our loan. So that is the very easy and simple way of borrowing your crypto loans. And after servicing your loans, then everything else will be back into your account. And if you remember, when you're taking the loan, they said that they're going to subscribe that to Simple Earn. Okay, so you're going to go to your Earn wallet, and you're going to see that we have our LTC, we have our 142 there. So what we're going to do to have it in our spot wallet, we're just going to redeem this. So click on that, then click on flexible, and then we're going to click on redeem maximum because we want to redeem all the amounts that was subscribed to the Simple Earn. But please take note that you do not have to redeem the amount. If you're not intending to cash out, leave it on the Simple Earn so that you can keep earning you an interest. But if you intend to withdraw, click on terms of agreement, then click on confirm, and then we have that in our wallet. So go back to your wallet and you'll see it will now reflect in your spot wallet. So if you refresh that, you can see now we have our Litecoin back in our spot wallet, and we have the BUSD that we had converted just to repay the loan. And that's it. In case you have any questions about crypto loans, leave them in the comment section below and let's keep interacting.